Okay.
All right, go ahead and pour in.
I pour that in. Oops, sorry. So I get it about that much?
That's pretty good. Yep.
Good, sorry.
All right, then we're gonna go ahead and pour some vinegar inside.
And next is white vinegar.
White vinegar.
All right, white vinegar. I pour that in there.
There we go, that's perfect.
Okay.
All right, and then we just need a squirt of lemon juice.
And the lemon juice has to be acidic. Can it be lime juice as well, right?
Sure.
All right, so
Either
just a
one's
little
fine.
bit.
Okay,
That's enough?
yeah, just a tiny squirt.
And that's lime juice.
Then go ahead and grab some baking soda, and we're just gonna do a tablespoon there.
Okay, so just a little bit of baking soda, and that goes in the top. Just like this.
Right in there.
It'll start foaming right away, right?
Just a little.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
that's
and
great.
last thing that is very important, we're gonna do some essential oils. I've got some citrus essential oils right in here.
Okay.
And all I need is 3 drops.
3 drops. All right, 3
Okay.
big drops. Here we go.
1, 2,
3.
3.
Oh, I did 4. I hope that's okay.
Okay, that'll be all right. It won't
All
be
right.
too strong.
Okay.
That'll make it smell super good.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna bring over our faucet. Okay. Tie it over. Make sure you got a good handle on it because you don't want the balloon to swit.
All
All
right.
right, I'm gonna turn the water on. Okay, we're just gonna allow it to get filled, and you can see the bottom of the balloon has plenty of space.
Oh, okay. So that's just gonna fill up the entire thing.
Yes, I'm just gonna control the water flow at the top.
So that's just any kind of like soap works.
Dish soap,
Dish soap works, and then we have white vinegar.
white vinegar.
And then
you can
we-
also use apple cider vinegar.
Oh, really? Okay.
Right. Either
And
one
then
works.
some lemon or lime juice, and then just some other things for different.
Essential oils if you prefer.
Okay. And you fill
No,
it
if
up.
you don't have them, you don't have to have them. You don't need
Okay.
it. Okay, as you
look at
can
that, it's
see, the
just-
end is still has plenty of space. So I'm just allowing the balloon to get filled all the way.
Okay.
Takes a moment for sure. Okay, it appears we're getting pretty close.
Neat. You can see it like foaming up inside.
Yeah,
That's like the magic's happening inside there, isn't it?
exactly. All right. That's pretty good for this size of counter, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the water.
All right. So you turn off the water.
Okay, slowly. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, and then I'm gonna make sure I have a good grip on the top. Remember, there is a lot of soap here, so.
All right. Don't. Yep.
And what I wanna do is to tie a knot. Okay?
Ooh, good hands there. All right.
Yes,
And then you put
make
it
sure you
in
have
the
a good
middle.
grip. All right. here
Is
we
it
go.
ready?
It is ready to go.
All right. And I've
Okay.
got the pin. You said just sit right on the top like
You're gonna
this.
pop it just
I'm
right
a little
on
bit
the top.
afraid. It's just gonna create a chemical reaction and it's gonna do the whole thing, right?
Yes, it's
Right.
gonna.
Here we
Go
go.
for it.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Awesome. See?
Whoa!
It's gonna clean the whole counter.
Look at how clean
Yes.
that made it. That's
And
amazing.
then all that's left is really the balloon.
Wow.